So this right here is my Legion Go 2, and I just got these joystick covers, and as you probably can see right here, it is touching the cover here, or the case for the Legion Go 2, and that is really annoying. So what I need to do is cut this little part away, which is in the way. So I will cut exactly what's necessary and not more, of course, because why more when you can do less? And it's touching it really badly, really. So I think I have to cut away a pretty big chunk, but I guess we'll find out. Of course, did cut away right here over the B button because I felt that it was like in the way. This little piece that was here, I cut that away. Don't have that on video, but yeah, let's get this piece away, I guess. So first things first, let's just get this out of the case here. Let's get this out of the case. And you know what? I'll take off this Joy-Con, or whatever you want to call it, just so I can see exactly how much I need to cut. Because you're right. Basically, all of this that's lined up here needs to get cut away. Wow, that's annoying. And this is the basic one too. It's not the one that's higher up, but yeah, I mean, I did not expect it to have this issue, but I guess it did. And I just made a video reviewing these, and I didn't even notice that it's in the way. But of course, without the case, it does not touch it at all. It's perfect, but with the case on, it's not. So let's see. This will be a little tricky to cut away, really. I mean, let's just try, I guess. It's really hard to do on camera, too. So we need to make sure that everything's on camera. Wow. Yeah, this is really tricky, huh? To like cut from here, and let's see here, just gonna cut the side here. Hard to show on camera, and I have really strong scissors too, like they're really good at cutting. But I still need to apply pretty much force. And let's see here. There we go. Okay, let's see how this turned out. Yeah, because I mean the big chunk, when you cut that out, I guess it will look a little bad, but I have a scalpel too. So I just need to see. Yep, it's still touching it. So let's see. Yep, still need to cut a little more. So mostly here, I notice that it needs to be cut. Damn, I have to apply a lot of force here to make this work. And I'm guessing I have to cut away. Oop. Okay, that ended pretty fast. And let's see here. Because I need to cut away this flap right here. I think that's actually pretty fine now. Let's see. Yep, need to cut through. I mean, you just gotta take your time, not cut more than necessary. And, oof, I just messed up here. But yeah, that's fine. Yeah, not cut more than you need to. So this looks pretty rough right now, but as I said, a scalpel. And I think, oh. So yeah, only the top left now, right here. Everything else is fine. So, oh my days. Hard to get some leverage on this piece here. There we go. Let's cut this off a little, just to make this look a little bit better. All right. Now let's test this. I think I might have cut, nope, basically the right amount. Let's see here. Oof. Need to like try to see. It's still touching a little. And on the top here too. But for that, I'll use a scalpel. So I'll try to make this look good. Let me just get a scalpel. Scalpel right here. I mean, let's zoom in here. Let me just get my keyboard away. Okay, let's see here. So this right here, I don't know if you can see this that well. I need to get this away. Okay, it's trying to make it beautiful basically, and it's already looking much better. Let's see here. Just gotta try to not cut yourself too. There we go. It's really hard to show on camera, but I mean, you have to cut away pretty much here. Pretty big chunk, I guess. And I will, of course, be showing the final result, just so you know-ish what it's supposed to look like. There we go. I mean, there we go. Now I'm just trying to really make it beautiful, I guess. Yeah, it looks a lot better already. Let's test, see if it's good now. Okay, let's see. Yep, it's completely free. So now I just need to make it look good. Nope, never mind. It's still touching a little here because, or here, up here. Oh, there goes the camera. And so yeah, let's get the controller out once again. Come on, you want to go out, buddy? Ugh. There we go. Let's cut this part right here. Maybe not a good idea to cut against or towards myself, but I mean, I'm really careful, trust me. Yeah, probably not the best way to do it, but remember, I have a camera in front of my face, so just be careful if you're gonna do this. And yeah, you should really cut away from yourself, not toward yourself, so you don't injure yourself. If you're doing this the same method as me, I guess. Because you would need something sharp. If you don't have anything sharp, then it will be really hard to do this. It's like, it's hard to do this with a scalpel and scissors. So doing this with something else, like, I don't know, maybe you could, maybe people could send in their case if they wanted to. And I could do this for people. But nah, I think too many people would want me to do this. So I'm not sure. If people pay me for it, I could probably do it. If it's worth my time. Or just buy a scalpel. Scalpels are easy on AliExpress. Just trying to not cut deep and just try to cut the outside here. So let's see here. I'm just trying to make it pretty, I guess. Okay, now, let me see this. Yeah, looks pretty good. Around the same as it looks on the other side. I'll try to just give it a finish too, I guess. Remove the plastic here. And let's put this in, see if this is now good. No way. Oh. Yeah. So it's... Yeah, I mean, it's touching the little part here still. I don't know if you could see that on camera. This little part right here. Because I'm trying real hard to not cut away more than I need, especially in the areas which are thin. But I mean, I would say it's pretty worth the trial and error. I mean, how can you really mess this up? Just do this really carefully and you won't mess this up. You better take it a little too slow than too fast, I would say. Okay, let's see. Now I think this should be good. This should be good, man. Okay, let's look at this. Rip that out. Okay, now I think this should be good. If it's not, then I am really surprised. Nope. Nice. Perfect, I would say. Perfect. Boom, absolutely perfect. Stick is not caught up in anything here. So let's also, you know what, test the other stick. The one that I was originally worried about, but that turns out, or also this one had an issue. Interesting way to form words, I guess. So let's just put everything, just remove all. I can't even talk today, honestly. What the helly? What the helly? Oof. Okay, let's just remove all of the plastic smudges, or whatever they're called, pieces. Remove all of those from the sides, everything, so nothing is in the case. There we go. Put that in. Am I zoomed in a little? Maybe I am. Let's put in the case. There we go. Yep, this is now completely free. Awesome. This one was always free. Not an issue. Yeah. When I go around with the finger, I don't really feel it. Here I actually feel it even more, I would say. Here I did a really good job. Really happy with that. But now let's just clean this up. And then let me test the higher stick that I originally wanted to use. But where this was the deal breaker, and see if it's now better. So, I mean, let's test this out, right? So let's take these off. And now put on these sticks. And the cat is annoying me for some reason. So let's do this. Is this on completely? Hopefully. And maybe this, like, how much? No, I think this one is a little fatter. Huh, not sure. Not sure. Now take this on. Okay. Is it in the way? Oh, it's exactly not. Wow. It's exactly not in the way. Might actually cut a little if you want to use these. But for these, you're safe. But damn, yeah, so they use more. But no, I mean, it feels fine. It might not touch it, but it's exactly at the point where it wants to touch it. So yeah, wow. I might actually start using these now. But yeah, they feel nice. But yeah, that's really gonna be it. I'll just show you one more time. Close up of what I did, what it looks like. And if you go all the way here, you can see that it wants to touch it, but it's exactly not touching it, or at least not rubbing against it. It's like going right away. Same with the sides here. Like, it's really hard to get on camera. Maybe put the camera here. Like, it goes right away. It doesn't touch anything here. Just the top where it wants to touch, but it doesn't. But yeah, that's really what you should do. And of course, if it stops for you, you just need to cut a little more, and then a little more, and then you need to just test. But yeah, that's really how you do that. So thank you guys for watching. Like, dislike, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace out.